Hey guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some items that I got from Fashion Nova. I only have a couple, but I thought I would show you guys since it's my first time ordering off of them. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I got was these gray leggings that have the tie-up string here. I know that Kylie Jenner had these, so if you know what they are, that's probably how you know them, because that's how I heard of them. They're called the Wanderlust leggings. They're called the Wanderlust leggings, and they're very, very nice, very flattering. They make your butt like... I got these in an extra small. I probably should have gotten a small because they are a little tight, but they fit really well on the bootay area, so I highly recommend those. Those look very good. The next thing I got were a pair of jeans because I know Fashion Nova is like famous for their jeans. So I got this pair. They're called the Beach Bum Dark Wash jeans, I believe. So they look like this, and they have like a really huge hole in the knee, which I don't have any jeans that are that distressed, so I'm excited to wear them. I did try them on and they are a little small, so I should have gotten a size bigger. I don't know why I didn't. I just assumed that like Fashion Nova jeans would fit a little bit bigger because I just thought they were for like curvier girls, and I'm definitely not curvy, so just thought that those would fit. They don't really fit, so if you are gonna get jeans, I would say go up a size. But yeah, those are the only two pants I got, but I really, really like them so far. So the first top I got looks like this. It's just like an olive green color, and it has like the little cinched part in the middle of the two boobies, so it kind of flatters your top part more. It's really cute. I like the ruffles, and yeah, I just picked it out. It was really cheap too, but it like fits really well, so I got that. So then I got this top, which is a blue and white striped kind of not a polo, but it has the collar, and it kind of looks like a pajama shirt, but it's so cute and it's so comfortable, and I think it would look good with black jeans, so that's my plan. But it's really, really cute, and yeah, I really like it. So the next thing is this top, and it's super long, so you could either tie it or tuck it in or do something with it. I bought it because I don't have a pink shirt, and I think it's really cute, so I got it. I think it was honestly like $5. It was just like a plain t-shirt, but it's really, really tight and fits snug, so it makes your look good, you know. So the last thing I got was this ribbed dark blue top. It's so nice on. It literally makes your body look so good. That's the one thing I really like about Fashion Nova stuff, is that it just makes everyone's bodies look so like perfect. I don't know, but I really like this shirt. It fits really well. It's super stretchy, good quality. I very much enjoy this one. So that's basically everything. I got 6 things, and I didn't want to go overboard because it was my first time trying it out, but overall I would say it's good quality stuff. The sizing's a little bit off, but I just know for next time. But yeah, that's everything I got. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment suggestions down below for future videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!